developed a special series of machines called sliding head Swiss style automats, which consists of 5-axis, 6-axis, 7-axis machines. So in that, what I would like to show you is here, this is the machine which is having the Fanuc controller, and this is a feature which consists of the main spindle, sub-spindle and 5-axis. Coming to the working of the machine, if you look at the working of the machine, the bar is fed from the bar feeder. This is the raw material. In the raw material comes 3 meters bar feeder. So next, once the bar is fed onto the machine, it goes to the main spindle and collet. Here there is a collet guide bush system wherein the component is held in the collet and supported in the guide bush for doing the turning operation continuously with the support. That is the major difference with the normal turning to sliding head. This consists of turning tool holders, a gang turning tool holder and rotary tools for the main spindle, and X1, Y1, Z1 are the 3 axes for the main spindle. And similarly, once the main spindle operations are over, the component will be taken from the sub-spindle and it will be parted off. Once the parting is done, the component is taken for the secondary operation from the sub-spindle. In the sub-spindle, there are 2 axes called X2 and Z2, and this axis will have a drive system here to do the operations, secondary operations, to complete the total operations of the component, and component will get ejected out here. So in this, you can see the component coming out here. So this is the overall working of the machine. If you come towards the application part, there are varieties of machines, varieties of components produced for the varieties of domain such as defense, automotive, textile, surgical and electronics, and multiple applications have been made on this, and we have already supplied more than 100 machines across the country, and we are the only manufacturer in India to build this sliding head automat for all the applications. So we are competing with all the multinational companies from the Japan side or the Switzerland side or the Korean side. This is about the machine. It can do multiple operations in a single go and complete the operation and give the output as you have seen.